But this stuff is, oh. The soaked garbanzos, I soaked them in water for 24 hours. After overnight, like after 8-9 hours, they're good. I like to soak them a little bit as long as possible. And these are soaked lentils. I soak them 8 hours. You can soak them, but I do from one evening to another. I just put them under water. So I just drained them, poured it into the sink, all the water, and pushed it right back on there. And you don't have to cook them. This is it. They're soft enough to eat now. I feel so much heartier. And when I eat all of this stuff, I'll put it in there. I already put 1 cup of each, maybe a little bit less of a cup of each lentils and garbanzos in there. Yes, it's a giant salad. I put some seeds, bunch of seeds on there. Whatever seeds I can find, sunflower seeds, whatever. Pecans, I have walnuts or chia seeds. I bought a little grinder, a little portable grinder, and I just grind them up right there and then and pour them on top. The red onion, I used to put it by themselves, but to soften it up and make it so good, you can almost eat it just like that. You put lemon in it, and then salt. Let it cook in the lemon. Oh, so delicious. And salt, a little pepper. I like to put a little cilantro if I had to run out of cilantro. Oh, my goodness. I could just eat it just like that. Mixed with a little cucumber sometimes, just like that. I put it on top of the salad at the end, so let it cook in the lemon juice as long as possible. Prunes on the side, or I can chop it up and put it in the salad just for a little like sweet taste if you want. But if not, I'll eat about 3 prunes. Sunflower seeds, pecans. You can put them in the whole or just chop them up a little bit so they're a little grindier. Raw cashews. What I do, I follow these guys on YouTube and they make a cream with it, mixed with water in the blender and all that. But yeah, I would like the cream and everything, but doing the whole blender thing, all I do is I do it for taste and mix it up a little bit. I put olive oil. I found the olive oil and lime juice on top of it. Plenty for me and just really yummy. Marcus is the name of the channel. I just do it just like that. Big handful, they want olive oil, lime. All right. I can't remember, I put some in here. Pepper. Can never have too much pepper. So this is my little device, my grinder. Found it easy on Amazon. I just found a small one. 1 spoon of chia seeds. 3 spoons of flax seed. 1, 2. Well, I have less now. Okay, I lost some but it didn't break. This is like a spice and coffee grinder. I don't know if you could just buy a coffee grinder. It's the same thing. It was advertised as coffee and spice grinder, so I make sure it says spice grinder. I don't grind the coffee, but I think it's probably the same thing. Done. Look at how it falls. All kinds of stuff in this salad. I heard that it's really good to freshly grind the chia seed and the flaxseed, just freshly grinded, so that's why I buy it like that and then I grind it. At least the flaxseed, if you eat it like that and just the seed without grinding it, you can't absorb it very well. Your body does not metabolize it very well. It's just too hard still. I eat it by the spoonfuls like that, ground. Very good. That's how I was starting that website, but I just put it in my salad. You can also do pine nuts and cashews and whatever seed you can find out there. There's several types, just throw it all in there. Try to find all the raw stuff without any salt, just all the goodness, just raw and unsalted as much as possible. Some prunes, about 3 of them. Sometimes I cut it and put it in a salad, sometimes I just eat it just like that. See that? Now these garbanzo beans and lentils, so I'll grab a freezer bag full of about almost a cup of each, all mixed in together, or whatever you can handle to eat. They're pretty filling. So I grab that, I defrost it, put it under hot water. So I just put it fresh right now, but the rest of them will be frozen for the rest of the week really. So I eat this every night. If I'm hungry during the day, okay, I'll eat it during the day. I might have 2, but usually just 1 time. In the morning, I only really drink water with a splash of apple cider vinegar. If I get hungry, I'll do my lunch a little bit early. Some vegan protein powder, which is super yummy, and then a bunch of different nuts. I'm telling you, I'm full. I'm satisfied all day, and then I'm ready to eat here. I don't feel like the tiredness of eating a heavy lunch. I can eat it and I'll be like, oh, I'll be so full. Okay, I should be tired now because I'm so full. I just want to go nap. But I have the energy to just be like and do whatever I want and do creative stuff and feel good. Eating all this fills me up. I mean, this is big thing. Imagine my stomach is going to be full eating all of that. And I could go probably work out. This is it. It looks like a big mess, but it's a yummy mess. I'm ready to rock. As always, I want you to grow and master your life.